Hey everyone, this is Ketogenic Jim. What I'm doing today, want to do a conversion recipe kind of. Basically, I want to make a full English breakfast. Now, typically what everyone thinks is full English breakfast is hash brown, sausage, well, a big full English breakfast. Hash brown, sausage, bacon, eggs, black pudding, which is blood sausage, blood pudding. It's very, very good, even though it doesn't sound like it. Let me think here. Mushrooms, baked beans, toast, and that'll be roughly about it. A fried tomato instead of actual ketchup. And overall, it's quite carby. Relatively, condiments would be either ketchup or HP sauce. If you have never had HP sauce, it is fantastic, but super carby again. So what we're going to do is converting the hash browns, just going to make some home fries with some radishes. We're going to replace the beans with some steamed spinach. Also going to have the fried tomato, and really past that, we're just going to incorporate it all together and show you guys how you can have a really good, healthy, ketogenic English breakfast, and it still tastes phenomenal, and it's a really good thing to kind of show off your modifications. Okay, first things off, we're going to be using the oven for the bacon and the sausage, just because it's a lot cleaner and easier for me. Gonna put the bacon and the sausage onto our baking sheet. This is just parchment paper, greaseproof paper, however you want to call it. And I'm gonna have these cooking while we do our radishes and spinach and eggs. Now we're just going to boil up our radishes to get them soft, and then once the eggs and everything are done frying, we will fry them off as home fries. And let those boil for about 10, maybe 15 minutes or so to get them completely soft. And then, like I said, we'll just fry them up into home fries. And now we're going to clean our mushrooms. Okay, our radishes are done. So we're just going to drain these off. And our sausage and bacon is still cooking through, so just take our time with everything. Got our mushrooms cut up and washed off, and tomato and eggs are ready, so pretty much kind of just like get it in the flow. Okay, our mushrooms are in our pan. I'm going to put a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt into those, let those simmer away. And in this pan, I'm just going to fry up the spinach, and then in our wok, I'm going to make the eggs. Okay, our spinach is done. Now I'm just putting on the radishes to fry these off, and then let everything kind of flow on through. We'll get these going, and now I'm doing the eggs. Did a really quick kind of move around. I got the tomatoes put into the frying, so they'll fry up a little bit, and these onto the main hot burner. Try to let them crisp up a little bit. Our mushrooms are kind of moving on through. They're kind of out of the camera shot, but they are letting out all their water and steaming up. Our eggs are underneath this tin foil here in the wok. This pan, usually I use for eggs, but it doesn't really work very well anymore just because its non-stick properties are pretty much gone. But that's pretty much it. The traditional way, instead of any sauces, you just have a tomato fried up. You kind of like just let it sit there and it'll wilt away. These are kind of toasting off pretty well. And our bacon and sausage is cooking up. Just gotta, it's a slow kind of bring it all together type thing. This here is our spinach. Kind of like just leave this close to the heat and everything will kind of come together. And that, my friends, is a loaded keto full English breakfast. Now, that is something that is really simple and easy to make as long as you have enough time. Now, 4 pieces of bacon, 3 pieces of sausage, 2 eggs, a little bit of spinach. The hash browns are replaced by some cut up radishes. We have the mushrooms, we have the tomato right in the center, kind of impossible to see. And obviously, what is the main thing missing is the baked beans. I just replaced the hardiness with some spinach. That's pretty much it. It's really hot and it's really good, super filling, super tasty. That is all of my protein in one meal, and it's 1 meal a day type thing, and that is perfect. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, give a like and subscribe. If you want to get into ketogenic coaching, definitely get in touch with me. ketogenicgym@gmail.com, or any of my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube channels, Ketogenic Gym. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you have a fantastic day. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, guys.